How to quick trace in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this logo here, and it's a raster image. As you can see all the individual pixels if you zoom in too much. So we want to turn this into a vector, and luckily when it's a flat design logo like this, it's very fast to do. We just make sure our image is selected, and then we go to image trace here on the right, and the modes I want to use is either free colors if we want to keep this this color scheme of the logo like this. We can just add the other color in there, or we can go to the image trace panel here on the right, and we can choose 4 colors instead of 3 if we're missing one, and it should appear in a bit after it's done tracing like that. Or something else we can do, if I turn this back, okay, it might take some time. Okay, now it's an image again, a raster image. So if I go back to image trace, I can go black and white logo like that, and it will just turn it black and white. It's very fast and easy. You can just click on expand after that, and there you go. It's turned into a vector image. When I go to outline mode, you can see all the outlines it created for us. Okay, and that's how you quick trace in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.